count. One, I'll just put a lot in. 2, 3, there we go. 4, 5, 6. I think that should be enough. Oh, there a bit more. 7. Right, I've now put in my powder. I'm now going to ram it down. This is what we do when we create, and we're going to use the ram rod to ascertain the depth to which our powder has gone. There it is. It's reached down to that far there. So that means we've got that much powder. We can now probably afford to cut off a small quantity of our tube and insert a fuse which we shall put in. Now, of course, it was the study. This is the current field of alchemy, which is actually involved in investigating how things burn and why it is that this substance here, the saltpeter of the philosophers, as it is known, why it makes things burn so well. Here we have a fuse, and I'm now going to bend it over and seal it up with some more tape, and then I shall set fire to it in my hand. And you will observe to see whether you agree that the combustion of the powder which is made, and the way I've explained to you how it works so well, and indeed alchemists were hugely interested in powder and the way things burn. And I'm just going to, please excuse me, I'm going to just tape it up a little bit more, because I think the more we put the tape on, the louder it will go bang, if it works. It doesn't always work, you must understand. There is a certain huge number of failures. A huge number of failures occur for all sorts of reasons. Now, of course, it would be extremely stupid to set this off in my hand, because it could do a lot of damage to my hand. And therefore, I have built a special cage here, into which I shall place my banger. There is a shelf in there, and it's open at both ends. I shall then hold it in my hand when the fuse is lit, and that will be the end of the demonstration. And I hope you have all learned something about the alchemical philosophy, and also about the sort of experiments that we undertake. So, here we are. I have to be rather careful, you do understand, because one small move in the wrong direction, and I could do myself a lot of damage. So, I'm going to now light the fuse, put the end on, and then ask you to listen carefully when we hope it will. There we are. Now this will be the last experiment, showing you gunpowder in action. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen and children.